Hi everybody. Today we are going to discuss about the IC technology. So the integrated circuit. So IC is very important. Why in the sense in this world every product having the electronics. Without the electronics, uh, the product will not come. So anything the power is needed. So for the power the resistor, capacitor, inductor is needed. So it will be interconnected with the many number of components or peripherals. So that will be is in fixed into a single devices that will be operate with the help of the IC only. So the IC is mandatory. So the development of electronics is an endless invention. So the day by day it will be increasing. So it's endless invention. So day by day it will be developed. So the electronics is associated with the vacuum tubes and electronic circuits mainly. The term the electronics is mainly evaluated as a solid state devices and developed integrated circuits or into a particular special application like a communication, computing, and instrumentations and some special applications. So mainly the first vacuum tube diode was developed in the year of 904 by John Ambrose Fleming. So first vacuum tube. First in the olden days the vacuum tube is a leading one of the electronics devices. Mainly the IC development in the year of 1949 they are used for the fabrication process in the vacuum tube. Mainly they are used. So the German engineer Werner Jacobi Phil the patent the IC semiconductor ICs. So first the patent. So in the year of 1949. So and then after the 5 years, after the next 5 years, the five transistor combine into a single stage. That's a two-stage amplifier arrangement. So then thereafter developed in the next 5 years. So like it's a small chip that days. So it mainly used for the hearing aids and all. So integrated circuits were its main possible by experimental discoveries like its semiconductor cloud platforms and then performance functions and the vacuum tubes. With the 20th century, the technology will be developed in semiconductor fabrication like anything. So mainly the integration of large numbers of transistors into a small chip. So the Moore says that the every 18 months the transistor is doubling. Means the every 1.5 years the transistor number of transistor we suppose this nowadays it's a 2024. After the 2025 June it will be a double. Like nowadays we are using 100 transistor in the sense the next 2024 the 25th June we have the 200 transistor. That's a double. Means the number of application, number of usage, efficiency will be increased so that the number of transistors is high. That's a Moore's law. This integrated circuit, the mass production capability and reliability, building blocks approach, circuit design, and ensured more number of rapid adaptations and a single IC. So main usage in the discrete transistors. And main integrated circuit having the small semiconductor based electron devices because it is a small size. So it's having the small size with consuming minimum level of voltages with fabricated transistor, resistor, capacitor, everything in a single unit. That is called as IC. This integrated circuits build a building blocks most electron devices and equipment, and integrated circuits as known as a chip or microchip mainly. So there are the many advantage in the IC manufacture. One is the cost effective and performance because there is no any loose contact and all is not available, proper size, and there is no burning and all happen. So the performance somewhat high and the cost also it is very reasonable one. So this is the main advantage of ICs. The cost low because the chip and with the components are printed in a single unit. So by using the photolithographic methodology to construct a single transistor at a time. So forthcoming the much less materialized used in the constructor package in a single IC with the die than its discrete circuits. Because why we go for PCB and all in the sense olden days we are using the breadboard for the testing purpose and all, but it will have the loose contact, proper conductivity is not available, and then it may lead to burn the circuit. Okay, for that we move for the PCB. Nowadays we have the 4-layer PCB design, 5-layer PCB design and all available, SMD PCBs and all available. So the performance is high comparably the olden days. The performance is high, the accuracy level is high, and then give the proper input and output. So we go for the SMD purpose and all. So to having the quick and consume the little power, because it deals with its minimum low power energies, low energy, that's VLSI and all is no, that's it consumes very minimum level of voltages, and it will components are the all the peripheral devices in together in the single chip. Mainly it's having the millimeter range, nowadays in nanometer range of circuit level is available. So this is the main advantage of the IC technologies. So the remaining will be seen in the upcoming session. Thank you.